What is an NFT? A non-fungible token, or NFT, is a digital asset made up of digital data stored on a blockchain. An NFT can be anything digital, such as music, art, videos, or in-game items. NFTs are structured using blockchain technology, making it possible for them to be publicly authenticated and for their originality and ownership to be certified. One thing that makes NFTs unique and differentiates them from cryptocurrencies is that they are non-fungible, meaning each NFT is unique and different from the other. A fungible asset can be exchanged or broken into other items of similar value. For example, a $5 bill can be broken down into 5 $1 bills and still have the same value. An NFT, on the other hand, cannot be broken down, and each NFT can have its own value. NFTs have been around since 2014, but have recently become popular as ways in which artists, individuals, and companies can make money and enter things like the metaverse. But the internet is vast, and there are billions of images and videos there, free and for the taking. So why buy NFTs? NFTs give owners exclusive ownership of the original version of a digital asset. With an NFT, owners can use, license, or profit from their NFT to the extent permissible within the rights transferred to the owner with the purchase, and get exclusive access to online forums, events, and early access to future NFT collections. Because of their built-in authentication, the scarcity of NFTs give them value and are valued by collectors to pay large sums of money to own an NFT. Other value inherent in NFTs are the benefits, access to forums, events, and future collections that owners get. In the last quarter of 2021, the NFT market was valued at a breathtaking $10.7 billion. NFTs are most commonly presented as digital art. There have been different high-profile auctions selling digital art worth millions of dollars. But there are other applications for NFTs as well. Games are another popular application in which an NFT can be created. Users can buy in-game assets such as digital plots of land, items, or even characters, and then sell them later on or trade them for other in-game items. One of the most successful blockchain online games is cryptokitties, where players can adopt and trade virtual cats. Some of these cats were sold for as high as $100,000, and NFTs from the game have been sold for millions. An increasingly popular way in which people acquire NFTs is the play-to-earn trend. Play-to-earn games are blockchain-based games that reward gamers with digital cash or NFTs, playing the games to earn assets that have a real-world value. An example of play-to-earn games is Axie Infinity, which launched in 2018. It is a trade and battle game based on Axies, which are Ethereum minted NFTs that players can collect, breed, raise, battle against, and trade with other players. Players who battle others and win earn Smooth Love Potion tokens that can be exchanged for Axie Infinity Shard, or AXS tokens, the primary utility tokens for the game. One AXS is valued at about $15.72 at the time of making this video, and over 80 million AXS are in circulation. Other play-to-earn games are Alien Worlds, Sandbox, Zed Run, Gods, Unchained, Star Atlas, and CryptoBlades. Big brands in industries such as engineering, music, and sports are also entering the NFT space. Sportswear brand Nike joined the virtual world of the metaverse by acquiring RTFKT, a leading game brand that makes virtual sneakers and collectibles, merging fashion and gaming. In December 2021, sportswear brand Adidas launched its first NFT collection called Into the Metaverse. In addition to their NFT collection, Adidas Originals announced that they had purchased a plot of virtual land in the Sandbox. It is, however, essential to note that NFTs do not necessarily come with copyright or intellectual property rights. A purchaser of an NFT may own an NFT but not have the right to claim it as a product of their own work or to claim a right to the intellectual property. Thanks for tuning in to our explanation of NFTs. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let us know if there's a topic you would like us to do a video on in the future. Cheers.